The Obama administration is trying to make it so that Computer Fraud and Abuse Act offenses are subject to the terms of the Racketeering Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, which is a law that prosecutes organized crime. This year has certainly placed the spotlight on computer security, with major hacks on corporations like Sony, as well as government agencies and headquarters like the CIA and the Pentagon. Now, the Obama administration is looking to execute stronger sentences for those who are found guilty of digital offenses such as hacking. Two government officials, Associate Deputy Attorney General James Baker and Secret Service Deputy Special Agent in Charge Pablo Martinez, believe the current sentences for cybercrimes do not match the severity of the results of these threats. That's why they appeared before the Senate Judiciary Committee to discuss an area of the White House's cybersecurity legislative proposal that suggests stricter consequences for cybercrimes, which is part of an update to the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. The Obama administration is trying to make it so that CFAA offenses are subject to the terms of the Racketeering Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, which is a law that prosecutes organized crime. In addition, Baker and Martinez, on behalf of the administration, called for a national data breach standard to replace state laws. Senator Al Franken said that a 60-day window for companies to alert customers that their data has been breached is too long, but the administration is working out the issue with Congress. Baker went on to discuss the protection of critical private sector networks from outside attacks with Senator Richard Blumenthal. Baker said the White House plan doesn't force companies to comply with Department of Homeland Security cybersecurity standards through criminal or civil provisions. Without enforcement, companies may not take the required security precautions. Industry responded by saying that resources are limited and more incentives are needed. Baker added that incentives currently built into the system, including loss of stock market value, investor trust and privileged corporate data, is not enough to motivate companies to take security precautions. It is also worth remembering that since December 2010, over 100 people have been arrested. Some, it seems, just for running an internet relay chat room. Is this a sign perhaps that the machine is feeling threatened? Perhaps. At least one thing can be said in regard to this new regimen from the Obama administration. Previous operations have worked and the machine is scared. For now, remain prepared. We are Legion.